Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Mossy Oak. Now, this is their 12-in-1 multi-tool pocket knife with pouch, and this is a nice little multi-tool slash pocket knife that you can keep on your belt, in your pocket, as kind of an everyday carry. We're going to dig into this now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at what comes in the box with this pocket knife. Of course, you're going to get a little handout that kind of explains what each thing does. Then the knife itself, and then we've got a nice little pouch here that you can put on your belt loop or something like that to hold this in or store it in when you're not using it. So you've got both of those in the box. Let's take a quick look at the fold out here. They do have a model number at the top right corner, and I'll leave this up at this portion of the video in case you want to see what each individual thing does and I don't happen to cover all of it. You can come back to this point in the video here and you can see exactly what kind of tools you get with this. It's a 12-in-1 tool, so you do get quite a bit here, even a screwdriver and some scissors, which is nice to have in a pinch if you do need them. There are two different locks for this. Now, the end tools will have a lock on there with a thread, and then you'll have a linear lock for the scissors and for the knife. So hold on to that just in case you need it. You do get a nice belt loop case here with some Velcro on this. And again, you can use this if you don't want to wear it on your belt. You don't have to, but this is nice to have to store this in when you're not using it as well. Again, nice Velcro closure there, Mossy Oak logo, and everything else. So overall, it's nice to have it just in case you need it. It's there. As with the size of the overall knife itself, and you can see that it has a 3-inch blade on it, 7 inches when the blade is extended, 5/8 inches when it as far as the width goes, and it weighs 4.23 ounces. Overall, I like the build quality on this. I like that it's stainless steel and nothing crazy and flashy, but it does look nice. As we can see, we've got a 3-inch knife blade here that will lock into place. And you can see that there is a linear lock on the side for this as well. When it's locked into place, it's very good. It's a fairly sharp out of the box, but of course you can sharpen it a little bit more if you need to. And this knife will definitely work in a pinch for most situations. We also get several other things as well here as far as the scissors go, and they're going to be on the same thing, same side as the knife with the linear lock. And having scissors is a great thing. These are definitely sharp enough to do something in a pinch if you need scissors, like cutting smaller rope or doing something like that. You can definitely use these. I don't have any issues with these. They'll cut through, something in a pinch here, no problems whatsoever with the scissors. So they're sharp enough right out of the box where you don't have to worry about those at all either. Again, linear lock for the blade and the scissors. Now, looking at the other side, we do have our lock here with the ridges, and we do have all of our other tools on this side except for one. There is a ruler on the bottom, 1 in inches and 1 in centimeters, so you can use either. And you can lay this down and use this real quickly to do quick measurements. So that's actually pretty cool. And then we also have a flip out here for a screwdriver. And the screwdriver is great because this is either going to be a SL3 16ths or 5mm slotted screwdriver, or it's going to be a Phillips PH1 screwdriver, depending on what you need in a pinch. On this side, we've got the rest of our tools, and we've got several different things here. We do have a can opener with a wire stripper here. So you can see that little slot there is for your wire stripper. So you do have a can opener and a wire stripper here. We also get a bottle opener. So you do have a bottle opener, and on that, it's going to have a small slotted screwdriver as well. And then we have a large slotted screwdriver underneath that. And then last but not least in the row, we do have an awl with threaded loop. So you do have an awl with a threaded loop here. All of these can lock in at the same time or individually, depending on how you want to do that. So you do have a nice set of tools here to get you all set up and going if you're in a pinch and you need them. Again, you can press in and you can put these back in. Take them out one by one if you need them. Once they're locked into place, they are nice and solid. Overall, the stainless steel construction that Mossy Oak has used is nice and sturdy. Now, flipping it around on its back, it does have a built-in belt clip or a clip to clip this to your belt, or a backpack or a bag for adventuring, that type of thing. It's all there in this everyday carry type of pocket knife and multi-tool. Again, this was the 12-in-1 multi-tool pocket knife from Mossy Oak. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll check you guys out on the next one.